How to add your name and mobile number on lock screen. Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're looking for how we can add our name and our contact information in our lock screen. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So if you are on an Samsung phone, these are the process you may follow in order to do so. Head over to the main settings of your device. The settings may vary from phone to phone, but all of the devices have this option. So in Samsung phone, you're going to look up for the option called lock screen. Under display, wallpaper, themes, home screen, you can find this option called lock screen. Just go to the lock screen, and when you scroll down a bit, you can find this option called contact information. Just click on it and you can find this. It says show information such as your phone number or email address on the lock screen, so you can be contacted if you lose your phone. So you're just gonna type in your name here, after that your phone number here, after that click on done, and when you lock your phone, you will be able to see your contact information and your name visible on your lock screen. So that's how you basically add your name and your phone number onto your lock screen using this process. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.